Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan A7, a sleek and sophisticated SUV with a powerful 2.0 TDI engine. This black beauty is loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags and lane departure warning. With a luxurious interior, advanced technology like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle is perfect for any adventure. Rest assured, knowing it comes with a full multi-point health check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us today or visit laharts.ie for more details. Drive in style and safety with the Volkswagen Tiguan A7.